Welcome to Starlink Link. Today we're over at Shaw Hall Caravan Park near Ormskirk, and we're on the back row of these caravans. We've got a lovely view all along of barges and boats. Looks really cool. It's a really good spot to have a static. And what we've done is install Starlink Gen3 on this lovely new static. What we've done, we've used a Riv Nut gun and bolted it into the side instead of using wood screws, and it makes a watertight seal. On this one we have got an E-plated aluminium pole pipe adapter, one of our own. Got 8 points of fixings on this, and on this we've just switched on, and basically all the power on the site has completely gone off. So what we've done is we have an inverter on our van, and we've run an extension lead through off our current inverter to power up the Starlink. And on this one at the moment we're getting 320 megabits and upload speeds of 26 at the moment, and it's going to do a software update. So this is Starlink Link over at Shaw Hall Caravan Park near Ormskirk on a lovely dry day.